In today's video, we are going to see about cropping pattern. For a farmer, his ultimate goal will be high production of crops from the available land. Okay. So, for this to achieve, he has to plan the cultivation properly. That planning can be told as cropping pattern. So what is cropping pattern? It is a proportion of land under cultivation of different crops at different time. That is, in other words, it can be also told as crop rotation. So varieties of crops that the farmer can cultivate with the available land at various time. The cropping pattern in India is determined by rainfall, temperature, climate and the soil type. Thus, in order to obtain maximum yields, cropping patterns are followed. India has 3 cropping seasons or patterns. They are Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. The Rabi crops are sown in winter, that is from October to December, and harvested in the time of summer, that is from April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Though these crops are grown in large parts of India, states from the north and northwestern parts such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttaranchal and Uttar Pradesh are important production of wheat and the other Rabi crops. The availability of precipitation during the winter season helps in success of these crops. However, the success of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of above mentioned Rabi crops. The Green Revolution refers to a period of reformation where the Indian agriculture totally got converted into an industrial system. That is, farmers and the other people who involved in cultivation started using or adopting modern methods such as high yielding variety of seeds, tractors, modern irrigation facilities, pesticides, fertilizers, etc. This green revolution was also one of the main factor for the growth of the Rabi crops. Kharif crops. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of India and these are harvested in September-October month. Important crops grown during this season are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. Some of the important rice growing regions are Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast. Recently, paddy has also become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana. In the states like Assam, West Bengal and Orissa, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. The 3 are As, Aman and Buro. In between the Rabi and Kharif crops or seasons, there is a short season during the summer months known as Zaid season or Zaid cropping pattern. Some of the crops produced during Zaid are watermelons, muskmelons, cucumber, vegetable and fodder crops. Since these crops are cultivated in dry summers, better irrigation system are being followed. Thus, these are the 3 cropping patterns followed in India: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. By following proper cropping patterns, that is through proper crop rotation, farmer is able to achieve high production from the available land.